Welcome to Deep South Life 101, where the work gets done and the fun's begun. Tractors rolling through the morning light, sawmills singing till the day's just right, fishing lines cast where the bass all bite, living this country life. Some days we're building, some days we're gone, camping by the fire till the break of dawn. Every day's a story, every road is new. We're glad you're riding too. Deep South Life 101. From fishing ponds to sawmill wood, living life the way we should. To the latest humming after stormy nights, traveling roads beneath God's light. Come on in, y'all, join the ride. Come live the Deep South life. One day it's fixing what the wind tore down. Next day we're headed to another town. Back roads, campgrounds, mountains high, sunsets painted in the southern skies, laughing with the grandkids by our side, making memories for life. It's not about perfection, it's about the way we live, sharing what God's blessed us with, and all He's got to give. Deep South Life 101, faith and family, work and fun, whether we're camping, fishing, building dreams. Life's not always what it seems, so pull up a chair, we've just begun. There's room for everyone. Deep South Life 101. Come live the Deep South life.